This business is the best avenue for food lover, at the same time, coffee lover. Now, so, this will give another opportunity diri sa syudad, sa Digo City, na makahatag ng opportunity for the economic activity and development diri sa syudad, at the same time, makahatag og dagdag trabaho diri sa syudad sa Digo City.
I just want to say thank you po sa inyong lahat for coming here. It's good to be back dito sa Digos. Ako po isang ambassador ng Coffee Spot. We have been opening mga coffee spot na branches all over the Philippines, no? We have more than 200 branches na. So, all over the Philippines, and we are going internationally din po kasi napakaganda ng business ng Coffee Spot po.
Very much happy, no? Nga naay mga business owners nga mag-invest sa tong syudad sa Digos. Gani dili lang man kay kami mga opisyalis ang nagalipay ana, kung dili ang kinatibuk ang Digosenyos, given nga maghatag man kana og dugang income, no? Dugang oportunidad sa atong mga kaigsuonan diri sa syudad sa Digos.
I am a coffee lover. I love coffee. So every time nga mo talk ko, before ko mo istorya, mag-coffee jud ko. So once again, congratulations, Coffee Spot. Everybody, we will drink coffee every day because coffee gives life.
You know when the time is right, get up and down tonight. I found my paradise, feeling good, that's what I like. Right now I feel amazing, it's time for celebration. Let's go from elevator.
Bring your families, bring your friends, have some great time. Talagang magandang place po. So try nyo ng mga food ni Sir Albert and also sa mga coffee ng Coffee Spot po.
Coffee Spot Philippines, welcome to Digo City, welcome to the City of Choice, and welcome sa Maanyag na Paraiso.